Hello dear student, I am Sharda Prasad, Assistant Professor from Mechanical Department, Bharati College of Engineering and Technology. Subject Energy System. Topic है Thrust Augmentation. Thrust Augmentation. Turbojet engine develops less power at the time of takeoff and climb compared to reciprocating internal combustion engine. The method of providing extra thrust at the time of takeoff or climb for short direction is called thrust augmentation. Here basically two methods used for thrust augmentation are first after burning और tailpipe burning. डायग्राम में देखते हैं. In this method the additional fuel is burned in the afterburner situated in between the gas turbine and the nozzle. This method is also known as tailpipe burning. tailpipe में क्या होता है? एक टरबाइन स्टेज होता है, डिफ्यूजर सेक्शन होता है, रीहीट सेक्शन होता है और प्रोपेलिंग नोजल होता है और लास्ट में क्या होता है? एग्जॉस्ट जेट होता है. फ्यूल एंट्रिंग करती है, आफ्टर बर्निंग करती है और कहाँ से होती जाती है? डिफ्यूजर सेक्शन से होते हुए रीहीट सेक्शन, फिर प्रोपेलिंग नोजल, फिर लास्ट में जाता है एग्जॉस्ट जेट. एग्जॉस्ट गैस फ्रॉम द लास्ट टरबाइन स्टेज have a large quantity of oxygen which can support the combustion of additional fuel. If the thrust of the engine is desired to be increased without changing the physical dimension of the compressor, turbine, etc., additional quality of fuel is burned in a section of the jet pipe to increase the velocity of the jet. This process is known as reheating. In order to obtain favorable condition for efficient combustion, the velocity of the gas is reduced in the reheat section by providing diffuser after the turbine exits. Reheating can also be used for short time to obtain increased thrust for takeoff. It should be possible to increase or decrease the cross-sectional area of the propelling nozzle corresponding to the variation volume flow rate due to reheat. After burning provides additional thrust up to 20% propel to the aircraft. Second है water methanol injection method. In this method, the mixture of water and method is spared into the ram air stream to inlet to compressor. It increases the mass flow rate of air due to evaporation of water and it cools the ram air, hence it also reduces compressor power. Additional of methanol energy allows to keep the same maximum temperature in the combustor. The increased mass flow rate and reduced compressor power increase the total thrust developed. This can provide an additional thrust up to 25%. The disadvantage of this method is that aircraft has to carry additional liquid required for thrust augmentation. Next topic है injection of water alcohol mixture. Injection of water alcohol mixture को एक्सप्लेन करते हैं. The method of thrust augmentation is probably the simplest one to achieve. The mixture of water and alcohol or just water is injected at the combustion chamber or compressor inlet section through a series suitable spray nozzle to produce an increase in thrust. The effect which produce the greater gain in thrust in the cooling effect within the compressor through the water evaporation, which brings about rise in compressor discharge pressure. The rise in pressure the rise in pressure can be seen from the compressor HS diagram shown in the figure. The process 1-2 represent normal drive compression process, which is achieved from the turbine work del HT being delivered to the compressor. Now when the water alcohol injection system is turned on, the mixture as it evaporates within the compressor cools the air produced compression process line 1-2. The amount of work delivered by the turbine with or without water injection remains essentially the same. Therefore, point 2 double dash and 2 must line same enthalpy line. The factor which contribute to thrust augmentation by water alcohol mixture injection can be summarized as first evaporative cooling, which produce higher pressure and higher mass flow, additional mass of injected fluid. थर्ड आते हैं possibility of burning of alcohol. The first factor also provide the key determine where water injection produce the higher augmentation thrust ratio. The cooling will be accomplished by injected fluid until the air at compressor discharge saturated. Thus, to get saturation point, the amount of cooling increases. The thrust ratio is greater on hot day than on a cold day, and augmentation thrust ratio decrease the altitude all and increase the flight Mach number. सेकंड है आते हैं the water injected can axial flow compressor tends to centrifugal separated from the air. The eliminate the problem water injected into the combustion chamber has been developed. The principle of operation of this method on the compressor performance diagram. Thank you.